Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can obtain festival points in Heartopia. So basically, it's to unlock the rewards you have here. Um, so I'm currently on level 29 because I purchased the basic festival pack. But if you purchase the stream festival pack, you will immediately instantly reach level 43. Like it will skip levels basically if you get this pack instead. You can also upgrade it if you've already bought the festival pack, but I'm not doing that. You can also let's see. Oh, you can also obtain festival points by completing daily requests. So just going to give Atara the quality timber here. And as you can see, I get some festival points. You can also get it weekly from the modular streets module here. So every week they're going to give you some festival points here. And when you obtain collection points as well, you will be able to get it. It's not a lot though. You'll only get it you'll only get like a few. So I just cooked a lot until I got like 5 stars, and that's how you can get festival points to unlock like levels for the modular streets festival rewards, I guess. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!